Turritopsis dornii, the immortal jellyfish. Turritopsis dornii is a species of small biological immortal jellyfish found in Mediterranean Sea and in the waters of Japan. A very unique jellyfish which can revert back to its premature state when exposed to stress or injury, or if the body starts to deteriorate through age or damage, whilst this means it is biologically immortal. In spite of this remarkable ability, most Turritopsis dornii are likely to fall victim to general hazards of life as plankton, including being eaten by predators or succumbing to disease. The Turritopsis dornii cell development method of transdifferentiation has inspired scientists to find a way to make stem cells using this process for renewing damaged or dead tissue in humans. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.